Hello foodies. Today we are preparing Indian style spiced plantains, a dish that's both simple and enchanting. Begin with the plantains, peel them and slice them into uniform less than quarter thick. These will form the base of our dish, offering a contrast between crispy exterior and tender interior. Take a small bowl. Combine 1 teaspoon of ajwain or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust as per your spice ability, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, the salt for taste, and a tablespoon of lemon juice which will give its tanginess, and an oil, a tablespoon of oil to blend the spices together. Now coat each plantain slice generously with this spice mixture, ensuring an even distribution on both sides. The slicer should glisten with the rice blend of flavors. In another vessel, place 1 cup of semolina or suji rava. This coarse, grainy texture will give the plantains a crunchiness. Gently lay each spiced plantain in the semolina, coating them generously. Heat a pan, add 10 ml of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully place the coated plantains in the pan, letting them sizzle once they got the heat. As they cook, the plantains will undergo a remarkable transformation, turning a beautiful golden color. This is when a fusion of spices and texture happens. Once they have achieved the perfect level of golden crispiness on both the sides, carefully flip or transfer to the other side. For the final touch, a sprinkle of salt enhances the flavor, or you can add sesame seeds on top as a toppings. Here is the Indian style spiced plantains which are ready to be served. Enjoy them with your favorite dipping sauce and savor the harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Try the recipe at home. Leave a comment how it turned out.